Good evening, everybody. Meteorologist Dean Davison from Responding Fire and the Weather Pros. We're going to take a look at the weather for the next week or so. We're going to look at the GFS. We're going to explain temperatures. It's really been nice that we've gotten away from the 100-degree temperatures and the high heat index values. It's been much more comfortable. Dew points have sunken into the 40s, and that'll continue at least through the weekend before some heat does return. But it's not going to be that bad. It's not going to be 90. We may not see the 90-degree mark through the rest of this month until we get into August. That's pretty good. But precipitation, we will likely see there's going to be a few flies in the ointment, to say the least, what's going on here currently. So taking a look currently what's going on, we have the stalled out cold front, and we left at a tropical depression sitting around here. That's moving out. As you can see, there's a tropical system out here. That's moving away. We'll move this along. There's your old tropical depression. So Outer Banks looks nice. They may get a little wet by Saturday from what may try to form here in the Gulf. It's still having a very hard time getting its act together. High pressure has built in then to the east, so a lot of the moisture will go up and over this high pressure. So Virginia, North Carolina, you're in a really nice area. Parts of Tennessee, that area is pretty protected by this high pressure as we head into the late weekend into early next week. That high will break down, and we will see showers and potentially thunderstorms move in by the time we get to Wednesday of next week. This will then also stall out a little bit. A low pressure will develop. So this will give us probably a wetter period in the beginning of August. And as I said, most of this is actually going around the Bermuda high here, so we may actually get the moisture come up easier, and we have to watch for any time that happens for a tropical type system to form. But as you see, we just continue to get issues of rain and thunderstorms every few days until right around August 9th, where we try to get a storm system forming off the coast. Nothing really that bad there. We'll go through some temperatures and what it'll look like over the next period, through this period. And like I said, we've been in the lower 80s, a lot nicer. Nighttime lows will be in the 50s and the 60s, and we're only going to get up to about 78, 80. Wednesday, we look Wednesday and Thursday, we look 84, 85. It's not really going to be crazy. We get a temperature in the 60s. So there's no 90s at this point as we continue in the East Coast, specifically in the Mid-Atlantic state, until we get to right at the end of the month. So that's when we hit 90 again, right at the end of the month, here near Danville. Probably say in the 80s in the Roanoke Valley. And then again, we will have another cold front, like I said, move through. And the more time we get precipitation, the lower the temperatures. We're talking about temperatures not getting out of the lower 80s on some of these days that we have precipitation. So we keep it the real heat in the Midwest, and this is more of a mega. Some of this may be in a mega block, so you get cooler temperatures in both locations, west and east. But like I said, nothing crazy. We do get kind of hot around the 7th, the probably 5th through 8th time frame. We get into another short heat wave before things calm down again. Like I said, the tropical storm or tropical system busted up. There's been some rougher waves in the Nags Head area and parts of North Carolina today. A little cloudy, but the storm had moved out to sea. It should be nice again at many of the beaches over the next few days. And also for the cleanup that a lot of people are doing in New Jersey, Virginia, and other locations that have had multiple rounds of severe weather. Other than that, things have been going pretty good. We will see temperatures, like I said, be seasonable for a while, and we will see precipitation possibly next week, but that's about the only time we see precipitation in the next week or so, is by next maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. We'll keep an eye on it for you, and please keep following our page. Give it a like. Responding Fire on Facebook. Give that like. If you like the page, follow the page. We give you updates with traffic, with different types of incidents going on. Of course, myself and even Jamie Singleton update the weather here on Responding Fire. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching.